Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with another little bundle. This is a little teaspoon set bundle, which I do offer up in my Etsy. So I'm using again somebody's order as an example. She requested a holographic bundle in mixed, extra fine, and chunky. Let me go ahead and grab them here. And she ordered a 20 pack. But of course I always throw a couple extra ones in there for her. This bundle you see here, I have it in Etsy for 18 shipped, but for you guys I will do it for 12 shipped, just again because we are not going through the Etsy directly. But hers is a mix, and I can do these for you in just chunky if you want just the chunkies because you like the chunkies better. I can do 20 just chunky. I can do 20 just extra fine. She requested the mix, extra fine and chunky. So what I do is I do try to make it as colorful as possible. I try to make sure you get every color in there so you have a chance to try all the colors. I try my best not to duplicate anything. Of course, I'm only human and sometimes do make mistakes. You also have the option to say, I want a mix like this, but make sure it includes the extra fine and the chunky together. I can do that for you too. Okay, and just let me know that's what you want, and I will do it for you, no problem. Again, these are teaspoon set bundles, and that's if you don't want to commit to a full ounce yet. You can try them out this way. And this one is for my Etsy customer. She ordered a 20 pack, and of course I threw a couple extra ones in there for her. I also offer up these bundles in my glitter mixes. Now do keep in mind that these glitter mixes I will not restock on. These are glitter mixes that are just left over from mixes that I make. For example, when I make glitter mixes, I will make a sandwich bag, maybe half of it, and I will sell it in Etsy. And then whatever's left over, say I have like, just a little bit left over or whatever, I will go ahead and bag them up like this and sell them in teaspoon bundles of 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 bags. Again, if you want, say, 2 bags of 50 pack, just let me know. And I would try my best to, again, make it as colorful as I can for you. Try my best not to duplicate anything, but I cannot guarantee you won't get duplicates when you order more than one bundle. You are pretty much going to get 2 bags of the same if you're buying 2 bundles. Now, if you're getting just one bundle, I do try my very, very best. I would recheck everything that you get 1 of each. But again, I'm only human. Sometimes I do make errors, but I try my very best not to duplicate anything, okay? So this is her other bundle. She ordered a 10 pack of glitter mixes to try. She makes polishes for herself, and she does say a lot of these hold up nicely for her. So she got a 10 pack, and of course, again, I threw a couple extra ones in there for her. She is a regular of mine, and sometimes when she falls in love with a certain glitter, she'll come and she'll email me and she'll tell me how many of these do you have left. And if I have 4 or 5 left, I'll tell her I have 4 or 5 baggies. She'll say, give them to me, I need them, because she knows I'm not going to remake them, and I will pick them out and give them to her. So I can always do that for you as well. But once these are gone, I do not remake these. Unless you email me and tell me, please try to make this for me, I will try my best to make it for you. But I cannot guarantee that it will come out exactly the same, just because I don't remember like the ratio by ratio amount when doing these. I kind of just eyeball everything and wait for it to come out pretty. Pretty much is how I make my mixes. So this is her little set that she's getting. And I can do say a 30 pack of glitter mixes for you to try. If you would like to try a 30 pack of little teaspoon glitter mixes, I would be more than happy to do that for 15 shipped. Okay, and again, like I said, on this one, she's getting this one on Etsy. It's 18 plus shipping for you guys on YouTube. This little 20 pack here I can do for 12 shipped. Okay, I also offer my glitter mixes in by the ounce, but for these bigger bags I only do a 10 pack and a 15 pack. But again, you're welcome to order 2 sets, 3 sets, however you want. And for a 10 pack of big mixes like this, I do them for 18 plus shipping on my Etsy, and I could probably just do them for 18 shipped for you guys if you want a 10 pack of bigger, something bigger for your projects. So that is it. I just wanted to come today and let you guys know that I do offer smaller bundles again. I know I stopped doing that, but I know a lot of you like getting the glitters in smaller amounts for your personal use, so I want to start offering that up again. I also have these in iridescent, so you could get these in iridescent as well. I have them in chunky and extra fine, and you could request however. You could say, give me a 30 pack, give me a 40 pack. I want 20 of them to be holographic mixed, and I want 20 of them to be iridescent mixed, and I will be happy to do that for you. Just make sure you specify exactly what you want and in the amount that you want them in, and I will calculate everything for you before we both agree on a price. And that is it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in as always. Until next time. Bye.